So this is GBPUSD, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So this is a trade review of the trades I took this week. I think this was here was the opening of the week. This was the opening of the week here. This was where the market opened exactly at this point. This the entire week's movement. And when the market opened, I marked out my key levels, which are I marked out my key levels, which are FVG and liquidity. I'm a liquidity and FVG trader, so this was FVG stands for fair value gap, just in case for newbies. So this was it. Let's go to the 4 hours and find the clearer version. Alright, 30 minutes then. 30 minutes, perfect. So this was the FVG here. This was the FVG. The gap between the first candle and the third candle, that clean gap where the candlesticks or the wicks of the candlesticks are not overlapping. That's a valid fair value gap. So the market tapped into this fair value gap zone. This made use my consequent encroachment and gave me bullish engulfing. But the market moved so fast on Monday that I missed out on this entry. I was supposed to enter somewhere around here, and I always go for a 1 to 3. Always go for a 1 to 3. So and my stop loss is below my always below my FVG, and I usually go for a 1 to 3. So that was it. Well, the trading view is reloading. I think my network is having issues. Yeah. So that was it. Well, I I did miss this trade. This was my 1 to 3 entry, very perfect. But I missed this. So what I did was I went back to my 1 hour and I saw another FVG. So a second FVG. That's a fair value gap. I saw a second fair value gap here. Here. Exactly. I saw a second fair value gap there. And I drew my fibs and I kept it there. This tool is a gun box tool. Yeah, gun box tool, and I drew it and I kept it there. And the price tapped into my FVG, but I didn't take it. And it later came back and tapped into my consequent encroachment, which is the 50% line in the middle. And I took that entry from there. But let's go to 15 minutes. Let me show you a better entry on how I entered that trade. Yes, 15 minutes I think. 15 minutes. That was, let's check 30 minutes. Perfect. I think it was on 30 minutes. So this was the trade, and after the moment it tapped in, I already knew I was going for a buy. And this small candle on the 5 minutes, you see a clearer version of it, anyways. So that was it, and we took we took the buy. We took the buy. Took the buy here. Exactly after that tapping to consequent approachment, the next green candle we took the buy, and that was our 1 to 3.5, aiming the previous high. That was how we got it. Aiming the previous high. Aiming this previous high here. This previous high here. That was how we were able to get this 1 to 3 smashed. 1 to 3.5 smashed on G. So that's basically it.